Welcome to this math channel. Today I am trying to solve this math Olympic problem in a very unique way. So let's find out the solution. As our equation is x to the power of 625 equals to 5 to the power of x. So I'm trying to solve to find the value of x here. So as you saw, I'm wrote here with equation x to the power of 625 that equals to 5 to the power of x here. So if I'm trying to cancel out this term here, I'm trying to take both side by 1 by x power 1 by x power here. So I am using power of power rule. Power of power rule means if we have a to the power of m base m power m into the n, so this means base are same but power is multiplied here. So I'm trying to solve further, power multiplied. So our equation will be x 625 divided by x here, that is equals to 5 to the power of x into 1 by x here. So this means this x and this x cancel. So we got the value of x to the power of 625 divided by x, that is equals to 5 here. So 5 here. So if I'm trying to further solve, I'm trying to take again power is what 1 by 625 here. So I'm trying to solve this here 625 here. So I'm using power of power rule again. So power of power rule again. So our equation will be that x here to the power of 625 here divided by x into 1 by 625 here, that is equals to 5 power 1 divided by 625 here. So this power cancel. So we got the value of x, that is equals to 5 to the power of 1 divided by 625 here. So if I'm trying to take multiply by 1 here, power no factor, no change here. So if I'm wrote here, as you saw 1 that is equals to what? If I'm 5 divided by 5 means they are equals to 1 here. So 5 divided by 5 is same. So I'm rechange this value here. This means x will change equals to 5 here and power is 1, means 5 divided by 5 here multiply. If I'm rearrange this equation, 1 here, so multiply by 1 divided by 625 here. So now if I'm take multiply this term into this term, denominator multiply denominator here, and we got the value of what? X, that will be equals to 5, power is 5 here, and multiply by, if I multiply by 1 divided by and denominator multiply denominator, 5 into 625 here, so 500 and so this means here, so x which is equals to what? 5 to the power of 5 here and base 5 into 625 means we have whole power here, and we got what? 1 divided by 625 is 3125 here, which is equal to 3125 here. So I am using power of power rule, which is defined as if we have a to the power of m into n here, which means we are allow a to the power m whole power n here. So we got this value here. So what? X which is equals to 5 to the power of 5 here. So wait a second, we got a mistake here because we got 1 here, power is cancelled, 625 cancelled, and we got 1 divided by x here and 1 divided by x here. So this is all of the power are same. 1 divided by x here, 1 divided by x here, 1 divided by x here. So 5 divided by 5. 5 to the power of 5 is equals to, so this means 5 to the power of 5 is equals to 3125 here. Whole power 1 divided by 3125 here. So this means x is equal to x here and 1 by x is equal to 1 by x here. So base are same and also power will be also same. So this means we got value x that will be equals to 3125 here. Now let's verify to put in our main equation here. Now let's verify to put x that will be equals to 3125 here. So let's put it. So this means x to the power is this means 3125 here to the power of 625 here, which is equals to 5 to the power of 3125 here. So I am wrote here with this term is equals to 325, that is equals to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 here, that is equals to 5 to the power of 5 here. So this means 5 to the power of 5. I will replace this term in 5 to the power of 5 here, 5 to the power of 5 here, and power will be also multiply 625, that is equals to 5 to the power of 3125 here. So I am wrote here 5 and this all of these term multiply 5 multiplied by 625 become 3125 here, 5 to the power of 3125 here. This means left hand side equals to right hand side. So I am wrote here with, as we saw, x is 3125 is suitable for our main equation. So thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe please.